You may have heard of Agent GPT. It's an autonomous AI agent in your browser where you give it a goal, like get Donald Duck elected president, and then it'll first figure out what you're trying to do and then create tasks for itself and execute those tasks, go online and do searches and do a whole bunch of stuff. So it's basically running the GPT AI system in loop to figure out what to do. Seeing this, there's a good chance you want to try it. And good news, Agent GPT is open source, so you can go on GitHub, find it, and deploy it on your own. However, it does require that you understand how to use GitHub, that you understand how to set up a dev environment on your computer, that you know how to use Docker and Node and a bunch of different tools. Actually, no, it doesn't. I've set it up so you don't have to know any of those things, and you can just run it in your browser. Here, go to github.com/morten/agentgpt. Hopefully this will eventually be included in the real project. Then go over here to code, click on code, select code spaces, and create a new code space. This opens VS Code in your browser with Node and Docker and everything pre-installed, so you don't have to do anything. From here, all you have to do is scroll down to find this line of code here, bash setup sh local, copy it and paste it into the panel below. You need an API key from OpenAI, and you can get that from platform.openai.com. And once the process is complete, you get this cute little message in the corner saying open in browser. Click on that button, and Agent GPT opens in your browser. That's it. No need to install anything, no complicated configurations. Just go to GitHub, click the button, boot it up, and you're ready to go. You are welcome.